It's lunchtime, so it's hard to see a big move at lunch, but we certainly know that we're coming in to test support. Resistance back at yesterday's IB has come in, had one bounce over and under the blue line. We're back into the umbrella trade as long as we're under the blue line and under green and red and all of them testing support. And we said when we started the day today that this bar would be important because it lined up with the angel, 47.25. So the gap has been filled. Morning after trend day has played out. And anything left in the chute is good fortune. Very simple system. Take a reasonable risk. Try to make yourself a few points. Day like today, we said you could probably hit it both ways. The market's trying to resolve it. And so far, we've had a much tougher range day. But the shorts have prevailed at the high. So we're testing the support. Overnight low, 46. Anybody that's played the short side is already on trailers. And if you average in from the highs and try to take that 55, 54, never get beat on this trade. Capture right in here at the 46 area, and assuming that the boys will try to support 45 yet again. And I'm going to keep that 52.75 as resistance, because this was our dynamic pivot. And the market was trying to decide that over and under, and finally it gives way and comes down to test lower. Okay, so we're going to make this our new pivot right now. NQ. Gave a great signal. This was the weak sister. Told us, I'm already closing my gap. How about you, Emini? Don't you want to do that? Very logical type trade. Back to test the double in here at our channel line. We try not to get too fancy. All we want to do is see if we can take a slice of bread out of the day's range. Those of you who are purists and like to see divergence, the second high up here, look how much lower. These are all clues. And I like hitting bounces today because morning after trend day, that's the trade. Give it another whack and see if there's anything left to come down and test yesterday's support. Keep it simple. Day after day, we'll find these kinds of trades with low risk. Don't want to get caught in the chop. Love the edges. Big edge up here today. Go to 120 chart. Beautiful encapsulation of the range. That chart's in play. 60 stalled it. Daily chart, trying to hold on. Trannies, been off. XLF, 120 chart. So we're rotating to the bigger charts, a little bit deeper chart. Crude oil. 120 chart clearly in play here. Keep it simple, all I can say. And this afternoon, this will be up for grabs. We're still at lunchtime. And if you are a conservative trader, that's been our resistance, 56. Gotta reset the angel one more time. And I'll leave another line just to remind myself of the previous one. And the market is going to have to contend with bounces. It's still lunch. We'll get a little double. And probably the best resistance now. And by best, I'm talking about not the safest, but stops. You don't want to see it above that 52.75. And the burden's on the longs to dig out. So already in our pocket, this trade, lunchtime, and those that want more, continue to hit bounces. Anybody likes the long side, obviously the low at 44, 43.75 is support till broken.